Tack Shop Wednesday, everybody. We got dang near it's in the afternoon. I dang near blew past it, but it's all good. Eli's over here. Look at Eli. He's
hey, everybody.
He's staring through his microscope, cutting silver. He was grumpy a while ago because evidently he had to redesign a leaf, but that's what we do, right, Eli? We redesign things every now and then. It works out. Just don't tell anybody you redesigned it and they think you did it on purpose. I shouldn't have said that on the public airwaves, should I? It's all right. Y'all know probably as things go. I got a haircut today. Bubba, if you're listening, look at it. Look, got them all cut. Got them all cut. It's pretty good. I did it. My annual haircut. I got it done. I wrapped up a pair of spurs today as well. I shouldn't say wrapped them up. There's still some things to do. I got to paint all that engraving so that it sticks out. You can see it, but man, that was fun. That was a lot going on there. Let's see if we can blow it up and get a little close on that. Oh yeah. It just came out of the oil bucket and I gave it a good wipe down before we started here, but in the video, but it's fun. Really cool pair. So all is well there. Patreon's doing good. Gonna do a video here in a minute. Started a buckle for the 25th anniversary of the TCA, 25th show of the TCA, and the saddle makers are doing a saddle that I talk about. I'm liable to talk about this every dang week because this is a pretty cool thing. But the saddle makers are going to get together at Kerry Schwartz's house in April and build a saddle. And so each member has something to do on this saddle, and I get the rope strap buckle. So I'm working on that today. I'll show y'all. I'm going to do a video with my Patreon of what I've got going on there. But it's kind of, watch this. It's going to, one-handed camera and so that's the deal there. Get a little shape. I'll do a video explaining everything, what I do and how I go about it here on Patreon. So for those of y'all that don't know about Patreon, haven't gone there, it really is simple and it really is a good way to learn. I have all kinds of stuff on there. There's like 400 videos, so lots of information. None of them too long, some of them 15, 20 minutes. I did some engraving this week. Uh-oh. Did y'all hear that? I did some engraving this week is what I'm talking about on the spurs and everything. Let's go out here and see what happened. Oh, a goat showed up. Drago was going to guard them. Were you going to guard him, Drago? He's on the chain. Oh, look. Yeah, Drago hit the end of it. A small piece of metal went flying. Did it bother you, Drago? He's the official border collie. No, he's not a border collie. It's all good. He's the stock dog. Where was I at? I did some engraving, Patreon, all that's good. Going to the knife show. Going to be at the knife show in February, about 3 weeks away. Going to be at Bubba Crouch's table. So that's why I got the haircut, so I can sit at Bubba's table, be looking good. He kind of snappy dresser, so I got to dress up. I'll probably have a coat and tie on just to see if I can fit in. But y'all come see me at the knife show. That'll be fun, exciting, and you know, all's good. I appreciate everybody following me. Appreciate what's going on. Appreciate the help, sharing, and liking all these videos and get those algorithms, or however you say it, working with social media so people can find out and see what it is I'm doing. And the story of the West all happening. Y'all go check out the TCA page too. Lots of good makers there. And if you're not familiar with the TCA and the Traditional Cowboy Arts Association, go check it out, man. There's lots of cool stuff there. So lots of great makers that they're no different than me. They may not be able to blabbermouth in front of the phone like I'm doing right now, but they're great guys and very talented at what they do. So anyhow, hope all is well, and we'll see y'all next week. Adios.